Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: projector input type and phone output capability. Connect the correct adapter or cable. USB-C or Lightning to HDMI is the most reliable. Once connected, power the projector and select the matching input source. Make sure the projector's resolution aligns with your phone, usually 720p or 1080p. This prevents scaling issues. If using wireless, enable the projector's receiver mode. After doing that, unlock your phone and stay on the home screen while we continue. Now you actually connect and configure the display. For a wired link, plug the adapter into the phone, then HDMI to the projector. Wait a few seconds for the devices to negotiate resolution. For wireless, open your phone's casting or screen mirroring menu, select the projector, and accept any prompts on the projector. Once mirrored, go to display settings on your phone to set orientation and zoom, and make sure brightness and sleep timeout are adjusted. These steps ensure a stable, correctly framed image. Finish by testing playback. Play a video to confirm audio and video sync. If projector sound is weak, route audio to a speaker. Lock orientation and turn on Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. Once everything looks good, secure cables and place the phone where it won't move. If something fails, try the simplest fixes first. Restart both devices, swap the cable or adapter, and lower the phone's output resolution to reduce handshake failures. This tip resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.